Hello and welcome to the Southern Belle channel. I think y'all can already see what this video is going to be about. It's going to be another home shame video. So if you want to encourage me to continue being this level of vulnerable, open, and honest and show the shame that I experience in my life, whether it is with purses, whether it's with home ceilings, whether it's with any other aspect, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. After all, how many other YouTube channels are showing this kind of open and honest footage, who are showing you their shame rather than just bragging and showing you the best things that they have in their life? Whether it's bragging about their kids, bragging about their spouse, their home, their car, possessions they have. Here, you're going to not see the bragging, but you're going to see the humility of me bearing my burdens and showing you the things that I'm struggling with, because I was so blessed that during the last home shame video, which if you haven't watched it, you can go back. It takes place in the bathroom, that y'all were so kind as to support me and to give me some encouragement, inspiration, and motivation. It really feeds into this new #EIM movement that's going on. It's a lot like the Pay It Forward movement, except it's new and modern, where E stands for encouragement, I stands for inspiration, and M stands for motivation. And I have to tell you, when you have a ceiling that has fallen in, when you have water that is leaking through, and when you have subscribers who are being supportive, that gives you the encouragement to keep vulnerably showing your shame in these videos, inspiring you to know that you can keep on keeping on, that nobody thinks less of you just because your life isn't perfect and ideal, and motivating me to get some help, which I've been working with the insurance company in order to try to get some resolution. So for those of you who are asking, what's been going on? How are you trying to fix this? The first step was emailing my insurance company, which with the New Year's holidays took them a long time to get back to me. And they finally had to admit that they really just sell insurance. They don't provide any service or help or support. And once they admitted that, they gave me an 800 number, which I thought was going to be the insurance company, because it turns out that 800 number was for a third-party data reporting firm. So not the actual insurance company, but they said once they entered all the information, as long as they entered it right and then sent it to the right place, that I'd eventually get some type of call from an actual insurance company. And as time went by, eventually somebody who said they were from the insurance company, although they had a very thick foreign accent and sounded like they were very far away, did call me and did take all the information down yet again and said that they would send a home inspector to look, measure, take pictures, and that person finally came this week. So hopefully in 5 to 7 days, he will send that report, once he gets it written, to the insurance company. And then hopefully in a few weeks, the insurance company will decide. And then it will just be a matter of paying the huge deductible and then hopefully finally getting this fixed. So that's the update there with the ceiling and where we stand. Now, in all that time, we will probably have more rain. We will probably have more storms. But hopefully, y'all can continue to give me some moral support and encouragement. And I want to give back to all of you, which is why I'm starting this new weekly show where, just like I bared my burden to you all, and you gave me the support in return to keep my spirits up, to keep on keeping on, and to not get down in the dumps about this, I'm hoping that through my new show that you'll be able to also bear your burdens, just like it says in Galatians 6:2, and that we can emotionally support each other heart to heart during this show. And I currently have a poll on my community post trying to decide if it should be a Sunday afternoon show or a Monday night show, because I've narrowed it down to those two time periods. If you haven't already taken that survey, I would love for you to vote in that poll on my community post, or you can write it down here in the comments. Also, I know sometimes you just don't know what to say when somebody is going through a hard time like this or a heartbreak, but you can always click the thumbs up, and in the comments, you can always just leave a smile. Or, in my case, leave a fleur-de-lis. So, sometimes we don't know the right thing to say, but even just a sweet emoji will help lift the spirits and will help lift the comment count on the YouTube algorithm. So, as always, I say, laissez bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll. Roll even if your ceiling is caving in, even if you're having water droplets, even if you have concerns and worries and burdens, knowing that God cares, that I care, and that there are other people on YouTube that care. And we'll be talking about those burdens and those cares heart to heart on the new show, which will premiere this week. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye, and may God bless you.